Welcome to Progressive Education. Today, I am going to explore the fascinating world of the periodic table, where each element has its own unique story to tell. What is the periodic table? Periodic table is the backbone of chemistry. A beautifully organized chart, where each element is organized according to increasing atomic number from hydrogen atomic no. 1, 2, oganesson with atomic number 118. This arrangement holds the key to their behaviors. Periods and groups. The vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups, and horizontal rows in the table are called periods. There are 7 periods and 18 groups in the periodic table. Blocks of the periodic table. The periodic table can be divided into 4 blocks S, P, D, and F based on electronic configurations, denoting which sublevel is in the process of being filled. S block elements. The elements in the S block of the periodic table have the last electron filled in valence S subshell of the outermost energy shell. Group 1 and 2 elements are S block elements. P block elements. P block elements are those in which the last electron enters one of the 3 p orbitals of their corresponding outermost shells. There are 6 groups in this block 13 to 18. D block elements. Elements in which the last electron enters any one of the 5 d orbitals of their respective penultimate shells are called D block elements. The D block is divided into 10 vertical columns or groups numbered 3 to 12. F block elements. Elements in which the last electron enters any one of the 7 f orbitals of their respective antipenultimate shells are called D block elements. These and lanthanides and actinides. Based on nature and characteristics, elements are classified into 3 main types. Metals. All the S, D, and F block elements are metals. Usually, metals are solid at room temperature with high melting and boiling points. Except for mercury because it is liquid at room temperature. They are malleable and good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals. These elements lie on the top right-hand side of the periodic table. Usually are p block elements non-metals or either solids or gases at room temperature except bromine, which is liquid with low boiling and melting point. They are bad conductors of heat and electricity, and they are brittle solids. Metalloids. These have specific characteristics common to both metals and non-metals. These are also known as semi-metals. Chemical families. There are families which are groups of elements with similar properties. These families are alkali metals group 1 elements. The alkaline earth metals group 2 elements. The transition metals D block elements. The non-metals some p block elements. The halogens group 17 such as fluorine, chlorine etc. The noble gases group 18. Such as helium, neon etc. Lanthanides and actinides. The lanthanides and actinides are groups of elements in the periodic table. They are the elements that are often listed below the main section of the periodic table. There are 30 total elements in the lanthanides and actinides. They are often called the inner transition metals. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content.